Hey everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to explain once again what is cloud computing to whoever hasn't started their cloud journey and how it differs from traditional cloud computing. And to make it super fun, let's imagine you're hosting a dinner for your friends. You have two options. You could invite them to your home or you could bring them into a fancy restaurant. Traditional computing is like cooking at home when you invite guests over. You have to do everything yourself. You buy the groceries, that's like buying servers and hardware. You cook the food yourself, that's setting up and maintaining the software in the cloud. You clean up after, that's maintenance and updates. That means at home you have full control. You can decide the menu, spice levels, and how everything is presented. But at the same time, it's a lot of work. And it costs time, effort, and money. Now, cloud computing, that's like taking your guests to a restaurant. The restaurant already has the kitchen, chefs, waiters, and even dessert ready to go. You just show up, pick what you need, and enjoy. No groceries, no dirty dishes, no worrying if your oven will break down mid-dinner. That's cloud computing in action. You access ready-to-use computing resources over the internet. So how restaurant will ease your pain? Let's break it down a little bit more. It has scalability. More guests show up. In the cloud, it's like the restaurant simply pulls over another table. It has cost efficiency. At home, you pay for groceries, appliances, and electricity, whether you use them or not. With cloud, you pay only for what you eat. In the restaurant, there will no maintenance. At home, if your fridge breaks, you're stuck. In the cloud, the restaurant handles all the repairs, updates, and staffing. Flexibility? Want Italian today and sushi tomorrow? No problem. Cloud lets you switch tools, services, or even providers quickly whenever you want. Additionally, at home, if you run out of plates, you're scrambling. In the cloud, there's virtually unlimited plates, forks, and napkins, always ready. So, to sum it up, traditional computing gives you control, but also all the responsibility, like cooking at home. Cloud computing takes care of the heavy lifting, like dining at a restaurant, so you can focus on enjoying the meal, or in this case, your business and innovation. So that's all for today. Let me know in the comment section below if this little comparison helps you to understand cloud computing a little better. If you found this analogy helpful, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech explained simply. Until next time, keep learning, keep building, and I'll see you in the next one.